is all man-made land. A red brick building with glass frontage is the Joseph Mowbray Federal Courthouse. It stands on Fan Pier. It's called Fan Pier because of the shape. Years ago, the ships would dock there and the rail tracks would fan out to the various vessels. Well, the Vertex building left of the courthouse stands in what they call the Innovation District here in Boston. In fact, General Electric announced recently they'll be opening their global headquarters in the Innovation District in the not too distant future. Now, I'll give you some history on the 1600s when the colonists arrived in the 1700s, Tea Party. Well, I'll give you some more recent history. You look at this construction site. There's a red crane with a concrete pillar building an office tower, but a few weeks ago they had to stop work. They're working on the foundations and they found a ship buried under the foundations. Turned out to be a schooner. It was a complete schooner, a 50-foot schooner from the 1800s. And they stopped work so the archaeologists could try and find out where it came from and where it was going. I think it was probably one of Boston Harbor Cruise's earlier tour boats myself. Now, if you're interested in modern art, this glass building with a cantilevered fourth floor over the harbour is the ICA, the Institute of Contemporary Arts. It hosts 4 exhibits of modern art a year. I would ask you, if you're standing up, please be aware people might be sitting behind you. Now show some respect, please.
Yeah, Richard, show me some respect. I couldn't help it. It was just too wide open.
Wait a minute.
Come out here on Commonwealth Pier. This is a building with all the flags on the top. Commonwealth Pier today is home to Boston's World Trade Center. The flag indicates